Hey friends, today I'm sharing a faux encaustic technique using one of my layered stencil and stamp sets from Sizzix. This set is called My Favorite Things because that's just what they are. These are motifs that I've used in my work for 30 years or more. I love Harlequin patterns. In fact, I painted my kitchen cabinets in Harlequin when I lived in New York City. The quill pens remind me of how much I love calligraphy, and the eye motifs and hands are always part of my work. The light bulb is to remind me that the lights are always on and ideas will always come. For this project, I'm upcycling some cereal and soda box cardboard cut to postcard size. To start, I'm adding some color. No need to worry about perfection, I'm creating an abstract here. Now that they're dry, I'm going to stencil on some more color, starting with the Harlequin and then moving to the stripes. Next, some polka dots. Here, I'm mixing different stencils and colors on the 3 cards. For the next layer, I'm stamping some of my vintage text on the cards and then on some paper which I'll rip up and glue on as other layers. Once I've ripped my shapes, I'm going to glue them down using white school glue. Get some colorful paper and stamp it with black archival ink. Carefully cut them out. Figure out where you want them on the cards, but don't glue them on quite yet. Now stamp the cards with the different motifs. If you want, you can stop here and glue the images to your postcards, but I want to show you my faux encaustic technique using hot glue. Along with a glue gun, you'll need a shiny silicone mat and a mini rolling pin. I'm using a copper tube. Place down your images, cover them with hot glue, and quickly place the shiny side of a silicone mat on top. Flatten out the glue with a mini rolling pin, but don't remove the silicone mat until it's cool. Give it a couple of minutes. Keep adding more images and more glue on the card. Trim off any excess glue that seeps over the edges. Here I'm adding some more ripped pieces of text and building layers. For even more layers, I'm stamping some of the colored paper with my vintage text and then die cutting out some leaves with my Sizzix Big Shot. After they're cut, I'll place them and add them to the cards with the same hot glue and silicone mat technique. This next part is all about your particular taste. Encaustic finishes are matte and the hot glue is shiny, but you can add some maker's magic in matte and it'll take down the shine. It's up to you. I like the cards both shiny and matte. There you go, my faux encaustic technique using my favorite things layered stencil and stamp set from Sizzix. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay?